Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam tools no internet connection on PC. In this video, seeing before you are begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these four steps. Let's go hit that first step, restart. So go to that start menu, click on the power button and choose the restart button, click to restart your system. Then recheck the Steam. If this right way does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So we need search bar. So type cmd, right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then type ipconfig, give the space slash dns, just to hit the enter. Then next type nets into ip reset, hit the enter. After that exit. Once you can exit, then you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button, click here to restart your system. After that recheck your Steam if this whether it is working or not working, check it. If this right way does not working, then go to the next step, reset internet connection. So we need settings, so search the settings, you can click to open it, then go to the network and internet, then we can scroll down, find advanced network settings and click on it. Then scroll down, you can choose network reset. Then right side you can click on the reset now button. Once it click to reset, then come to back. After that, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then your problem should be fixed. If this right way does not working, then go to the next step, change online. So we can try that option for in Steam. So double tap to open the Steam, then go to the Steam settings. You can find, you can see here third option, go offline. Just you can click on it. It is going on offline mode. After that again come to open the Steam, then go to the Steam, click on the go online mode. If once change it, then close it. After that, then go to the task manager, we can click to open, then search Steam by using search bar, or here you can background running, then right click on the Steam and choose the edit task, then close it. Okay, here all close it. Okay, all close it, then come to back, then restart your system and recheck your Steam. After that your problem, we will get the internet connection. After that your problem should be fixed. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section, comment, I will definitely reply. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.